Import contacts into CRM. You can bring in your contacts from wherever you store them, whether that be email, spreadsheets, or your phone. Hello, I'm Stephen V. Nutt. I'm a consulting professional with about 40 years of experience, the last 10 of which with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, designing solutions, implementing, and mentoring CRM teams. We offer dynamic CRM consulting, development, embedded team mentoring, and finally training. We use our dynamic CRM training materials as a basis to develop customized end-user training materials and video based upon your processes and customizations. I hope you enjoy this material. So let's get ready to import your contacts. Whether your contacts are stored in an email program, a spreadsheet, or on your phone, you'll probably want to import them into Microsoft Dynamics CRM so that you can keep track of the people that you do business with all in one place. You can use supported file formats to get your data in. First, you export your contacts into a file. These file formats are supported: comma-separated values, CSV files, text.txt files, compressed files, .zip, and Excel spreadsheet 2003 XML format. The maximum file size allowed for a zip file is 32 meg. For all other file formats, the maximum file size allowed is 8 megabytes. Tip: use .zip files if you store contacts in more than one program. Add all your import files to a single zip file, then import the zip files to bring in all the files at once. Export from email. Do you need to export contacts from an email program? Export the contacts into a comma-separated values file or CSV file. To find specific steps to export contacts from your email program, open the program's help and search for export. Look for topics that include exporting contacts or exporting your address book or export wizard in the title. Save the file in a location where you can easily find it later. Need to export contacts from a spreadsheet? Open the spreadsheet and then, for best results, edit any column name in the spreadsheet to match exactly with the name shown here on the right. Once you've done that, save the file in a location where you can easily find it later. The column names in the spreadsheet should match these names exactly, unless you have customized your CRM implementation and changed these names. If the spreadsheet doesn't include all the column names, that's okay. But if a column name does exist, make sure it matches exactly with the corresponding name in the table. Spaces are required. Note that the word email does not contain a hyphen. Export from your phone. Do you need to export your contacts from a phone? Use a USB cable or an app to export your contacts from your phone to your computer. To find the specific steps to export contacts for your brand of phone, search for Export Contacts from My Phone in your favorite search engine, like Bing or Google. To find an app, search your phone's online store. Run the wizard. You'll use the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Import Data Wizard to import your contacts. The steps to get to the wizard depend upon which version you're using. If your screen looks like this at the top, which is the latest version, for sales, service, or marketing, go to Contacts and then choose Import Data. If your screen looks like this older version, go to CRM, Sales, Service, or Marketing, then Contacts, then choose Imports and Import Data. Next, you'll select the file to import. You do this by browsing to the folder where you save the file containing the export of your contacts. Select the file, then choose Open and choose Next. Review the upload summary. Review the file name, and if the file is in CSV or text format, verify that the field and data delimiters are correct. In most cases, you can accept the default delimiters. Next, you select Automatic Mapping. You select the default automatic mapping for the system data map and then choose Next. In the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Record Types drop-down list, select Contact and then choose Next. For any field name that has an alert icon, this triangle here, map the column from your contacts file to the corresponding field in CRM. Once you've mapped all of the alerted fields, go ahead and choose Next. Check the summary. Review the summary and then choose Next. You'll notice it shows your input file and the CRM record type that your file is being mapped to, in this case, a contact. You can use the Edit button to go back and change any of the selections that you've made earlier. Click Next. Finally, we want to submit the import file. You can review whether or not to accept duplicates, select the owner for the imported records, and if you want to save your data map for future use, you put a name to save it here. Once you've done this, you click Submit. You'll get the screen that will show that your data has been submitted for import. This is done in batch. So to verify the import, you click on Imports here on the box, and that will take you to the Import section of the CRM menu. And click Finish. Once you've run the wizard, check your list of contacts in Microsoft Dynamics CRM to make sure that they imported correctly. For sales, service, or marketing, go to Contacts. Scroll through the contact list, check that each imported contact is listed, and verify the contents of the fields for accuracy. If it turns out it didn't work out very well, you can go back and cause them to all be removed as part of the import process. CRM Help and Training. The CRM Help and Training website has lots of great help content, including videos, ebooks, walkthroughs, customizable training, and more. And also, the Business IT Professional websites and other resources here can help you with your dynamic CRM implementation. Let us know if there's anything we can do to help.